Hello, welcome to my channel Art Book Nook. My name is Kay and I review art and craft books. I'm really looking forward to reviewing Ink and Wash in the Garden by Camilla Dambo Brix. This is a softback book published by Page Street Publishing Company and just under 200 pages. And it's about 7.5 by 9 inches in size. This is the second book written by Camilla that I've reviewed for you. The first one was called Ink and Wash Florals, and it was one of my earlier videos, so I've put a link below so you can watch that one if you choose, and hopefully you'll notice a difference in the production quality. Camilla is an absolutely wonderful artist, and there are so many resources that she has provided for you out on the internet, and I will share those with you at the end of this video. So what can we find inside Camilla's lovely book? Well, we've got Part 1, Fundamentals of Watercolor and Ink, Part 2, Sketching Wildlife, Part 3, Composition Embellishments, then Part 4, we have 14 garden bird tutorials in Ink and Wash, and Part 5, 11 butterflies, bumblebees and other cute bug tutorials. We have a lovely welcome from Camilla. She hopes you'll really enjoy her second book, and she shares with you the reasons behind why she wrote it for you. In Part 1, Fundamentals of Watercolour and Ink, Camilla will prepare you for the upcoming projects. You'll gather your supplies and learn a few watercolour and ink basics, so you're all set to carry on like a pro. Camilla provides an overview of the materials and supplies you'll need, essential watercolour techniques, and basic inking techniques, such as imperfect lines, importance of drying time and different types of line. So Part 2, Sketching Wildlife. Camilla tells us that animals can be a bit scary to sketch, and that's because there's very little room for error. But over the next few pages you can practice some of the more challenging parts, like the eye, beak and feet, so you can become more familiar with the different features. Part 3 is about composition and adding embellishments. Camilla starts you off in a nice and easy way. You will cover a few of those things that you can use to include in your artwork. These are a selection of mini projects to accompany the birds and insects you will sketch later on. What's wonderful about Camilla's book is the projects are very structured. So we start off with an image of the final composition. She lists all the materials and the colours of paint she's used, and then provides very detailed and numbered step-by-step instructions. Each step has a detailed explanation and an accompanying illustration. The mini embellishment projects comprise of a picket fence, bird feeder, simple branch, cherry blossom branch, butterfly bush, dandelion, white ox-eye daisy, foxglove, and finally a cute bird's nest. In Part 4 of the book, you're going to learn how to paint 13 different birds along with a colourful egg tutorial. You'll learn to make interesting textures and practice those scary features like beaks and eyes, and then learn how to place the bird in a lovely environment. The projects all follow the same format as the embellishment tutorials, so instead of you listening to me waffling on and repeating myself over and over again, I'll set these to some lovely music for you, so relax and enjoy. Part 5. Camilla has 11 butterflies, bumblebees and other cute bugs for you. So this brings us to the last few pages in the book. Camilla gives you some advice about going out into nature to sketch. She also provides some advice about finding your own style. We have an acknowledgements page and a bit about Camilla herself. Well, I'm sure you'll agree that this is a lovely book. It's suitable for complete beginners and also for experienced watercolour artists who'd like to try their hand at something a bit different, such as ink and wash. Camilla has done a wonderful job with her step-by-step tutorials. It's almost like Camilla's there holding your hand, telling you exactly what to do at the right moment. In the description below, there are some links to where you can buy your own copy of this wonderful book. I highly recommend it. I'm sure you'll learn something from it and you'll be able to create some wonderful artwork. I've also added a link to Camilla's website where you can find out a little bit more about Camilla and her online classes. And there is a link on Camilla's website where you can sign up for a free mini class explaining how you can get started on loose watercolour. And you really must visit her YouTube channel where she has over 112 tutorials. Also in the description below you'll find links to Camilla's Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest accounts. Plus she is active on Patreon and also she has several tutorials for you on Skillshare. If you already have this book or are thinking of buying it, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. I hope you found my review helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. It helps YouTube promote my channel to other people who are interested in art books. I try and post a new art book review every single week, so if you'd like to see more reviews from me, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you found this review helpful, please leave me a comment below. I do reply to all comments. And if there's an art book that you'd like to see, let me know and I will do my best to review it for you. So thank you for watching, and until next time, happy painting.